Hi, this is Elise Bachman. Today I'm going to share with you a peek inside of my high school blended learning classroom. This video will focus on the priority practice of tasks are supported by clear instructions from the classroom culture domain. So this is a look inside of my fingerprint analysis playlist. A quick overview of how my playlist is set up. Their entire unit is on one page, which makes it easy for them to find the activities that they need to complete. Over here on the left is the activity, and I have all the activities highlighted this blue color so they're easier for students to find. And underneath each activity is an objective that states clearly what I'm expecting students to get out of that activity. In the middle, I have directions, highlighted pink again, just to help draw students' attention to the parts that are the directions for the activity. And then this is full with supplemental links that might have further instructions. I think of the directions as what is the thing that I would say to my students just to introduce what they're going to be doing. So it's just a brief intro to the activity. And then over here on the right, I have a submission. So sometimes it'll be a link that students can click on to go submit something digitally, and other times it might say to turn a paper copy into the box. And some are just fill in a checkpoint on your chart. So this hopefully helps my students clearly figure out what they need to be doing for each activity, what their objective is, what their directions are, and how they submit. Um, the more intricate instructions, so if you read, for example, this first one, it says make sure to follow the instructions posted at each station. Because this was a station activity, I didn't want to bog this down with instructions for all 5 of these. So if a student were to um, click on station 1, they have the instructions for this particular station so that they can navigate through these stations at their own pace without me having to go to every station and explain what they're doing. There's also some other instructions on here to help with the efficiency of the playlist as my students were learning how to navigate these. So down here, it might say you can work on the next portion of the playlist in any order that works best for you, with some additional instructions about how many people fit at lab benches, or if anything in this portion of the playlist goes together.